Welcome back to my YouTube tutorials. This is ABN Graphics. Yes, on this particular tutorial, I'm just going to guide you to change a background of this particular image over here. And with this is it's just taking your time to see the kind of background that will be good and all that to it. And then this particular picture is shoot or taken by Bilal Studios. He's in Tamale here. You can find him in Yendi, and Tamale too, you can find him. Yes, so Bilal is one of the best photographers in Tamale, as we know currently. Recent photographers, he's one of the kind. Yes, he has taken this particular picture of Kawa Stone, the legendary Kawa Stone. Yes, and I just want to use this particular picture to change the background of this particular image by adding some kind of things to it, just to make it look nicer for me. Yes, you get that. This is just my personal interest, and he has not asked me. I just want to do that. You get that. Yes, so I have done something over here and it looks so beautiful, and that is what I really want to teach you on how to do that, and it looks so much beautiful. You get that. Yes, everything is just intact. Nothing has changed in the picture, only that I have changed the background to my knowledge on how I want it to be. You get that. Yes, you know what he did was also good, and what I'm also going to do is also good. It's just a interest of how I want it and how he wanted. You get that. Yes, so that is just good. So the first thing we need to do over here is that I just want to delete up those files inside it so that we can start over on what we need to do over there, and it will look so much beautiful for us. As you know, you get that. Yes, so I just want to start everything from scratch so that you can understand it very well. You get that. Yes, so in this case, this is what we have over here. First of all, what you need to do is that after you put in the image inside the Photoshop just like this, you have to remove this particular background. But removing it doesn't mean that you have to remove it completely. You just have to add the layer mask to it after selecting your subject over here. You get that. So that is what I did over here, and I have my picture like this. So when I close out the down one, I can see that I have a transparent background over there. You get that. And it's very easy when you want to add a layer mask. So all what you need to do, first of all, let me select it over again, then I'll close up this one, then I'll brought in this one, and the next thing I'm going to do is to add a layer mask. Layer mask is just here, this particular eye over here. I just want to click, okay, sorry, it's over here. I just have to click once, then it will automatically remove the background and leave the image or the subject only for me. You get that. Yes, and then if that one is done over there, all what you need to do over there is that you can decide to close up this one. Let me delete up this particular layer mask over here because I don't need it. Okay, let me delete it so that we can have something like this over there. You get that. Yes, so the first thing you need to do over here is to import in the background that you downloaded, either Pinterest or anywhere you download it from. You can just go to file, then you come to place a link. When you get there, that is where you get a whole lot of background that I've downloaded, and all of them is going to be beautiful. But however, I have some two backgrounds here that I want to use. This one. So with this, I have used two different backgrounds over there to just make the tutorial look so beautiful. You get that. Yes. So I'm just going to hold alternate and then do what? And then transform my background to fill up this thing like that, and that is okay for me. You get that. Yes, and when it is done, what I need to do is that I just want to push it a little bit top somewhere like this. I think somewhere like this is okay for me. Then I am done with that, and then I'll rasterize it. I just want to rasterize it. You get that. And then the down here, this one, I'll on it. I am on it because I want some kind of texture over there. I want this particular shadow, the shadow of the chair that he's sitting on should appear. You get that. I want those kind of, and the shadow over here, I want all of them to appear, because when I on it like this, you see that all the shadow and those kind of things has gone. You get that. Yes, but I need it. So that is why I have a copy of this. You get that. Yes. So when I have something like this over there, over this particular one, what I need to do over there is that I'm just going to change it to multiply over there, just like that. Good. So when I change it to multiply, as you can see, you see that it has come you see it here, it has come over there. All those things that I wanted is there, you get that? Yes. And I love it. So the next thing again I'm going to do over here is that I'm just going to duplicate the last layer over there, just like that. Control J to duplicate, then I'll move it to the top just like this. So when I move it to the top, over that one too, I am just going to change it to what, I'm just going to change it to multiple over there again. Then over there I'm adding a layer mask to it just like that. Then when I add a layer mask to it, I'm just going to pick up a brush tool over here, and then I'll try and brush the top. I just want to cancel off the top over there, you get that? Yes. So over there, what I need to do, let me do this, and then I can change the forehead to black. Then I can do what, I can cancel those areas that I don't want to appear, like these places. I just want to cancel those areas. Yes, you get that, leaving only this, you get that? Yes. And that will be okay for me. Yes. The next thing again I'm going to do over there is that I'm just going to import in another image over there, and this particular image is also going to be added to the background just like this, you get that? Yes. And then I'll hold my shift, my alternate, sorry, to transform it like this. I love that. Then I'll click what, I'll click OK over there. Yes. And then with that one, I am just going to change the blending mode to what, to light over there just like that. Then when I change it to lighting, and then I'll add a layer mask to it, you get that? So I'm just going to add a layer mask to this particular thing. All right, let me see. Okay, layer mask is over here. I wanted to, so I'm just going to add a layer mask to this like that. Then I'll pick my gradient tool over here, and then hold shift and then drag it. I want some kind of, I don't want the background to fool the image over there, you get that? So that is what I have to do, so that I can have the down part should appear, you get that? Yes. So with that, let me see, with that I can have something like this over there. All right, so maybe somewhere here is cool for me, you get that? Yes, somewhere here is cool for me. Then I can have it something like this over there, you get that? Yes. So the next thing again I'm going to do over there is that I just want to add some kind of black and white distance to it. So I can click on this particular adjustment layer, then I'll come to black and white over there, and then with this I'm just going to take this thing, then I can change the color over there. I can change it to any color, but I wish to just change it to this particular color over there. Let me see. Okay, I just want to make it look somehow distant, so I think this will be okay for me. All right, then I can have something like this over there, you get that? Yes. And now on this I can decide to change it to multiply if I want, just to see how beautiful the thing is for me, you get that? Yes. And I can make it overlay, it's so beautiful, and then this is also beautiful, you get that? Yes. And then I can just decide to leave it that way, but I can try and reduce the opacity a little bit so that it will look so much beautiful, you get that? Yes. And then the next thing again I'm going to do over here is that this particular thing, I'm just going to add some color to it to make it look somehow beautiful. So over there I'm just going to type Control U, and then when I type Control U over there, the hue I'm just going to make it 2.5. okay, 2.5 is 2.4.1, and then this one, sorry, 2.4.1, sorry. Okay, let me make it this way. So this I'm just going to make it 2.4.1, and then this one I'll make it 25. I think 25 is okay for me. Then I'll click OK. Yes, this looks so beautiful. Yes. So as you can see, automatically we have changed the background to something different, and with some 2 layers that make it look somehow beautiful and all that, you get that? Yes. So with this If we close up this, we can have a good background over there. Then if we have it back, it will also look somehow beautiful, and it looks so much good. You get that? And then as you can see, well, let me off this one. You see what is there, you get that? So this one should be there. That's the main layer over there, should always be on top, and this should be there. That gives us the shadow. This one we can call it shadow. You get that? Yes, we can call it shadow. So this one gives us shadow, and this and this and this and this give us the what, the background. That looks so beautiful. So this is how we manipulate a background or change image background in Photoshop. That looks so much beautiful and so much great. You get that? Yes, you can get all this nice background to download from Pinterest or anywhere, Google. You can search to get all this nice background to download. You get that? Yes. Thank you very much for watching. This is ABN Graphics, and have a nice day. Bye bye.